Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will help you understand the interface of Power BI. In my last video, I showed you how to download and install the Power BI software for desktop. In case you missed watching that video, I will display that video in the iCard. You can go and watch it. So in today's video, first let us understand what is Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence software which is designed to visualize and analyze your data uh, based on the data sources and connectors. With the help of Power BI, you can gain insights and you can make decisions from the reports and dashboards you create in Power BI software. So here you can see this is the home interface of Power BI software, right? So and Power BI is a easy to use drag and drop features. It has features that you can easily drag and drop to create interactive dashboards. Who is the creator of Power BI? So Ron George has invented Power BI in 2010, but later it was developed by Microsoft Thierry Devers and Amir Nitz. So this is the basic introduction of Power BI, and now let us go back to the Power BI software to understand the interface. So in the top, you can see we have a ribbon. So this ribbon is common among all the Microsoft tools. So in Power BI also we have this ribbon. So we have Home tab, we have File, we have Insert, we have Modeling, we have View, and also Help. So there are unique number of features that we will be discussing in our next upcoming videos. So this is the top segment of Power BI, and below that we have this white space. So here we will be creating our dashboard, interactive dashboards. So this is also called Canva, right? So here we will be building our interactive dashboards. So here you can see add data to your reports. So Power BI works with data. So here in Power BI you can connect multiple number of data sources to build interactive dashboards. So here you can connect data from Excel, you can connect data from SQL Server, you can even connect data from your website as well. So there are so many data sources that we can use. So in my next video, I will make a dedicated video on data sources that are available in Power BI, right? And to the right hand side, so we have this data pins. So data pins again will help you to make interactive visualizations for your dashboard. So to expand this, you need to click on this icon. So the first data pin is called filters. So with the help of filters, you can filter your data in the dashboard, right? And the second data pin is called visualization. Using this visualizations, you can build your interactive dashboards. So there are multiple visualizations like bar chart, pie chart, column chart, and also tables. So here you can see here you can also add more visuals as per your requirement. So all this will help you to build interactive dashboards in Power BI. And the third pane is the data pane. So here you can add the data sources, and the fields that you have in the data sources will be displayed here, right? So these are the three data pins we have in Power BI. The coming to the bottom, so here we have the page section. So here we can add multiple pages. So similar to Excel where we have worksheets, in Power BI we have pages. So if you want to rename this, you can simply double click on this and you can enter your text. So this is the option in Power BI. And going back to the left hand side of the Power BI interface, we have three views. The first one is the report view. So this is the report view where you will be building the interactive dashboards. And the second is called the data view where you will be connecting your data sources, and that data source fields will be displayed here, right? And the third view is the model view. So with the help of data, you will be creating the model view. So all these options we will be discussing in our upcoming videos. So this is the basic introduction of Power BI interface. If this video was helpful, then like it and consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos on Power BI. Thank you.